The baby so. You can pick up, brother.
Aw, he's smiling at you, Hallie. He loves you.
Do you want to suck on our tongue, Mommy?
No, you can eat the sucker. Be careful. He doesn't have any teeth, does he? Well, be careful, be careful. Your finger's getting close to his eyes. You don't want to hurt him.
Look at his teeth.
Yeah, he doesn't have any teeth yet, does he? Because he's a baby.
Close, Mommy. But look at his teeth. Look at his teeth.
Yeah.
I don't see any teeth, brother.
Nope, not yet. He'll have teeth soon, though. In about a month, probably. We'll see his first tooth.
Look at their teeth, Mommy.
I know. I have big teeth, don't I?
You can suck on our